The IKEA PAX closet transcends mere utility, evolving into a sophisticated architectural element that redefines the modern interior. By merging modular flexibility with high-end finishes, these design solutions emphasize rhythmic symmetry and tactile luxury. Through the deliberate layering of matte textures, integrated task lighting, and artisanal hardware, the PAX system creates a seamless visual dialogue within the home, reflecting an elevated aesthetic that prioritizes spatial harmony and refined craftsmanship.
Number 1. Embrace the seamless monochromatic silhouette. The seamless monochromatic silhouette utilizes custom floor-to-ceiling millwork to achieve an integrated architectural appearance that masks the modular nature of the base system. By employing flush-mounted, handleless panels in a refined matte charcoal finish, the closet vanishes into the wall, emphasizing the room's expansive proportions and structural purity. Lighting is strictly concealed, casting a soft peripheral glow that highlights the velvety texture of the surfaces. This composition prioritizes a quiet luxury, where the absence of ornamentation speaks to a rigorous minimalist discipline. Every joint is meticulously aligned to create a continuous visual plane, transforming a functional storage unit into a permanent sculptural element of the modern home's interior.
Number 2. Integrate ethereal smoked glass transparency. Integrating ethereal smoked glass panels within the frame elevates the closet to a gallery-like status, offering a sophisticated play between visibility and concealment. The dark bronze finished frames provide a sharp geometric structure, while the translucent glass softens the internal contents into artistic silhouettes. Internal vertical LED strips are recessed into the cabinetry sides, bathing the dark oak interior in a warm, amber-toned luminescence. This strategy adds significant depth to the room, creating an atmospheric focal point that functions as a large-scale lantern. The contrast between the cold glass and the organic wood grain creates a tactile richness that defines the pinnacle of contemporary wardrobe design. Number 3. Layer organic textures with woven inlays. Layering organic textures through woven cane inlays introduces a tactile warmth to the rigid geometry of the modular closet structure. The juxtaposition of natural rattan panels against a crisp white lacquered frame creates a coastal modern aesthetic that feels both airy and grounded. Slim, cylindrical brass handles add a touch of metallic refinement, catching the morning light and drawing the eye to the craftsmanship of the doors. This design utilizes natural materials to break the monotony of solid surfaces, offering a rhythmic pattern that filters light into the closet interior. The overall composition achieves a balanced visual weight, blending bohemian softness with the precision of contemporary interior architecture. Number 4. Compose striking industrial iron-framed portals. Composing striking industrial iron-framed portals transforms the closet into a bold architectural statement influenced by urban loft aesthetics. The use of black powder-coated steel frames paired with fluted glass inserts provides a sophisticated texture that obscures the interior while reflecting ambient light. This design variation thrives on high-contrast palettes, setting dark metallic lines against exposed brick or soft gray lime-washed walls. The verticality of the frames elongates the room's proportions, while the linear patterns of the fluted glass add a layer of kinetic energy to the space. It is a masterful study in materiality, where the coldness of metal is balanced by the complex light diffusion. Number 5. Refract light with mirrored surface artistry. Refracting light with mirrored surface artistry utilizes full-height reflective panels to amplify spatial perception and introduce a sense of boundless luxury. By applying oversized beveled mirrors to the closet doors, the unit functions as a grand architectural feature that doubles the visual volume of the room. The frames are kept minimal to allow the reflections to take center stage, punctuated only by crystal-clear acrylic or polished chrome hardware. The interplay of light across the glass surfaces creates a dynamic environment that changes throughout the day. This approach turns a massive storage volume into a luminous void, blending utility with the glamorous spirit of high-end boutique dressing rooms. Number 6. Command attention with deep jewel tones. Commanding attention with deep jewel tones represents a departure from traditional neutrals, using saturated color to define the closet as the room's primary anchor. A deep emerald or sapphire satin finish applied to the doors creates a sophisticated, moody atmosphere that exudes confidence and opulence. The dark exterior is dramatically contrasted with warm walnut internal shelving, visible only when the doors swing open. Gold-toned cove lighting along the top edge highlights the richness of the paint, while heavy brass pulls provide a substantial, tactile interaction. This design emphasizes color as a structural tool, using dark values to create a sense of intimacy and architectural permanence in the space. Number 7. Design a curated boutique-style gallery. Designing a curated boutique-style gallery removes the traditional barrier of doors to showcase the architectural beauty of the internal framing and spatial depth. This open-concept layout utilizes a central island component with a white marble top to create a focal point for the dressing suite. Every shelf is illuminated by integrated spotlighting, highlighting the contrast between the pale wood frames and the dark, textured back panels. The composition relies on perfect spacing and symmetrical arrangements to maintain a sense of high-end visual elegance. This approach transforms the closet into a permanent gallery display, where the intersection of horizontal lines and vertical supports creates a mesmerizing, rhythmic architectural grid. Embrace these architectural concepts to redefine your personal sanctuary through sophisticated design, ensuring a seamless blend of form and elegance. Like, share, subscribe for more inspiration, and thank you for watching today.